In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can save Microsoft Excel sheet in XPS format. So let's get started. Okay, so just open your Excel sheet. I have this one from here. So in order to save it in XPS format, we just need to simply click on the File tab on the ribbon. Then click on the Export option. Now you have here the option Create PDF or XPS document. Click on that and click on this button. Okay, so simply choose the path as to where you want it to be saved. Now let's go with desktop. And file name, you can change that from here. And then you have here save as type. This is now an XPS document. And then once done, you just need to simply click on publish. And now let's close everything from here. And here you can find it in the desktop. So item type, this is now an XPS document. So if you open it, this is the same thing as what is on your Excel sheet, okay? So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.